Hello. Today we're going to see a Java program that can be written with array. So we'll start from one-dimensional array here, program 1.5. Write a Java program that displays the following output using one-dimensional array. We are going to write an output that can be displayed using Java program. Here is the output that is given with a size of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One-dimensional array with 5 the size array length. So we are going to write a program. Let's go to our NetBeans. Here we have a project sample. Then source package, chapter 1 overview. Here on the package, what we will do, we are going to do a program that's going to implement the given problem. So we are going to right click on the package, chapter 1 overview, go to new Java main class. So what we're going to undertake, we are going to suppose, let me name it one dimensional array. One dimensional array is the class name. One dimensional array is the class name. Project is sampled. The package is chapter 1 overview. Then we're going to make it finish. As usual, we are going to remove all the comments because we have nothing to do for us. So we're going to make it format. Then inside the main function, what we're going to undertake, the output's already given here. So we are going to write the program that's going to display this output. So what we'll do here, we have to going to create an array. We are going to create an array. Suppose we say int one array with the size. Suppose we determine the size in this part. By default it is 5. So what we are going to list here the array sizes. What are those sizes? 10, 20, 15, 100 and 55. These are the elements of the array that is given for us. So what we're going to undertake to access each element is in the array, we are going to use a for loop. So what we'll do, for loop int I is equals to 0, then I is less than array, the given array, dot length. What is the length of that array? They have 5. Array length, then I is plus plus. We are going to increment the array size. Then what we're going to undertake here, I start from 0 means it is going to start from this part, then this. So it is going to check until the array length is 5. Now we are going to use directly with the array part. So what we'll do here, we are going to display the message. What we'll do is, what we are going to do here, we're going to do in this part. So what we are going to undertake here, one array. Since it is an array, we are going to input this array with each element is going to be accessed to with I. So we concatenate with plus sign, then provide in each element is we are going to provide an space. This is the way. This is concatenating, sequentially bringing each element is with each part. So what we're going to undertake here, rather than displaying each part, you are going to display, then here we use spaces in between, print in each part. We are going to print in each part. Then what we will do here, we are going to display the values inside this part, another message on the new line. This is a full program for the given problem. For one dimensional. Suppose when we are going to run, Here is the elements. Here is the elements. The elements are directly given for us in this part. Such kind of case what we call they are one dimensional. The second part is two-dimensional arrays. So what we will do here? We are going to do here. Write a Java program that displays the following output using two-dimensional arrays. There is a value given 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5. Two-dimensional rows and the column wise. So what we'll do again here? We go to the package name, right click on the package, then Java main class, new Java main class, two-dimensional array. Here we're going to finish. Remove as usual the comments, the default comments generated. We are going to remove them. So here, right click, format, the space is managed for us. Then what we're going to undertake here, we are going to declare an array. Again we assign initialize the value 6. What we're going to do, two arrays, two-dimensional array, rows, column, which is equals to what we'll do here. We are going to do in this part. This is for the values. Now we are opening this part. Semicolon is the array. For the array element is to be included. For each row we are going to list row wise. So the first row in each case 1, 2, 3, comma. For the second row, what we will do? They are what? What are those values? In the second value, what are they? They are 2, 4, 5. So what we will do then? 2, 4, 5, comma. The third row we are going to do in this part. So what are they? They are 4, 4. They are 4, 4, 5. So what we will do here? 4, 4, then 5. These are the 3 rows and the 3 columns. So what we will do here? To directly access the two-dimensional arrays, we are going to use the nested loop. So for int I is equals to 0, we start from 0, I should be less than 3, and I plus plus. This is the row loop. To display each element in the row, we are going to use the nested loop. Another for suppose int j is equals to 0, then j is less than semicolon, j plus plus. Then what we're going to undertake? We are going to display the message. So what we will do here? System. Then here what we will do? We are directly using two-dimensional array, the row I, then the column j. Then concatenating, we are going to give one space in between them. This is a message that going to display the two-dimensional array. So below that one, we are going to display one message. We are going to display one message here with an empty message. In this part, what we will do, rather than in the new line each color rows, we are going to use only display row wise. This is a two-dimensional arrays that we are gonna to use in this part. This is a full program that is going to show us this part that is going to implement this case. Write the Java program that displays the following output in the output this part. So this is a program for the given array. So when we're going to run it, right click, then run. Here we are going to find the output in this part. This is all about for today. If you liked the video, just like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.